Hi, Ian from Lean Media. Today I'm going to be talking about Amazon Brand Registry rejections that are relating to manufacturing agreements. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. This comes up on the Amazon Seller Central forums from time to time. Trademark application is being rejected. You see lots of other similar posts like this. You know, my brand keeps on getting rejected. What am I doing wrong? Sometimes staff from Amazon will weigh in and they'll say something about the manufacturing agreement or something related to invoices. And this is an example right here. So one reason why you may get rejected is because some sellers commonly attach invoices instead of a manufacturing agreement. And let me explain what the problem is with that. And by the way, I am a seller on Amazon. I've been selling on Amazon for more than 20 years. I've been a professional seller for about 7 or 8 years by now, and I have 2 brands on Amazon. So I am aware of some of these issues that come up. And manufacturing agreement is not the same as an invoice. So let me give you an example. This is an invoice from one of our manufacturers. And basically, this invoice lays out what they are selling to me, the quantity that I ordered and the rate that I have and the amount that I paid, or the balance that is due. If I want, I can ask my manufacturer to give me proof of payment, and basically they'll send this invoice with a stamp across it that says paid. Or if I wanted, I could also say, hey, I just need a document, a letter from you that says, you know, we have an agreement where you're manufacturing products for me. They will create that for me on their company letterhead. But some sellers, what they'll do is they'll just order something, maybe even a small order, and they'll get the invoice for it or the receipt for it, and they'll send that along to the Amazon Brand Registry team as like proof that they have a manufacturing agreement. And that's not proof that you have manufacturing agreement. That just proves that you've ordered something once from a certain manufacturer or a certain company. That's not enough. They want more than that. They want an actual letter on letterhead that says, hey, you know, these 2 entities, the trademark owner and the manufacturer, they have an agreement, an ongoing agreement to manufacture stuff. And the reason why Amazon's doing this is because they don't want a lot of applications to deal with in Brand Registry that just don't turn into any products. It's a lot of work to do this, not only for the seller, of course, because you have to get a trademark, but also for the Amazon Brand Registry team to vet this thing. So they're warning people that if you're making a trademark application and you're sending it to Amazon Brand Registry and it's getting rejected, make sure that you have an actual manufacturing agreement. That's like a common thing. They want to see that, at least for certain types of companies. And it's just kind of the law of the land. There's many other rules that you have to deal with as well, but I just wanted to highlight that in this particular video. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. For more information on how to deal with Amazon Brand Registry, check out my website, leanmedia.org. Link in the show notes. Click on blog or video, and you can see tons of free content about this stuff. Thank you so much for watching.